Hi everyone, my name is Ferdin. I'm a senior training advisor with Alibaba Cloud. So I usually train the customers and partners with Alibaba Cloud and train with the young students from the universities. So when we think about the Alibaba Cloud Academic Empowerment Program, that is the AAEP program, we have signed this with Bangkok University. So usually this is for enabling the students to get to know more about Alibaba Cloud, and we provide like a lot of free trainings and free cloud resources. And even for Bangkok University, we have this AI lab. So we help them to get more resources with the AI resources and the credits. And then usually the students get like the free exam coupons and so on. So the usage of this one is like once you have more number of students getting our Alibaba Cloud certification, with having 2 data centers in Alibaba Cloud in Thailand, more companies are having their requirements in Alibaba Cloud. So to use those resources, they need the engineers from Alibaba Cloud. That is the reason why we empower more students from your university to get into Alibaba Cloud. For the students, we have like for the BU students who are currently enrolled, and for the new students, I'm here for the couple of days for the new prospective students who are coming. But so far, what I have observed for the students we have trained so far, they are quite active, and more number of students are coming for our trainings and getting certified. So Bangkok University in Thailand is like kind of, I can say, like they are leading the way for Alibaba Cloud. So I believe that more students can get employable in this country when it comes to the companies using Alibaba Cloud. We usually provide the professional certifications rather than the small workshops we give like the clouders. We give something called as the Alibaba Cloud professional certificates, which start like with the practitioner level. We give with the business user. So these are for the non-tech students. So when it comes to cloud, people think it is a very technical one. So people who are from the business or from the humanities, they may not be able to find it useful. But if you are having a business school student and they want to start their own business, nowadays without cloud or IT infrastructure, they cannot do it. So for them, they need to know the basics of cloud, how it impacts the cost and other kind of parameters when they are running the business. So for that purpose, we used to provide the business user certifications. And then for the tech students, we provide like cloud engineer associate. So these practitioner and cloud associate certifications, we usually provide it for the customers who are consuming our cloud resources. But when these students get to pass these ACA certifications, it will be very useful and very helpful for them to get them more employable when they approach these companies for jobs, not only just in Thailand and in the countries where we have more consumption of Alibaba Cloud, and we are getting more emerging markets like for example Malaysia. In Singapore, it's our headquarters of Alibaba Cloud, and even in the Middle East there are a lot of requirements going on for Alibaba Cloud. So for the students from BU, in case if they graduate with our Alibaba Cloud certifications, I think it will be a added value when they go into the market.